mosquitoes over here. They're like, man, we're just gonna burn this here on the side of the road. I love the country. Oh man. Okay, so we've arrived already to the location. I started putting a couple pipes down already. Here's what I got going on. I'm just out here helping out a buddy of mine, trying to just finish this stretch, and then that's going to be it for today. God dang, you know I'm in the country. That's the mailman right there. So I'm done welding right up in this little area. They're gonna finish the rest of it off. I don't think he wanted to pay that much, so I just I'm okay with it because I have quite a bit of little work at home, and I had already gave him my word that I was going to help him out, so that's what I did. It's the mailman. I keep an extra 50 right here just in case, and I used them today. I didn't use this because I didn't need it. I can just plug up to connect to that and get current everywhere already, since it's already all connected. I like these Milwaukee knee pads. They've been good. I like them. Every time I see them, I try to buy a pair.